This video shows you how to replace the pick roller assembly of your printer. Turn off the printer. Unplug the power cord from the electrical outlet, and then from the printer. Open the front door, and then remove the imaging unit. Do not touch the photoconductor drum, and do not expose it to direct light. Close the door. Remove the tray. Flip the printer to its side. Remove the used pick roller assembly. Insert the new pick roller assembly. Return the printer to its original position. Insert the tray. Open the front door, and then insert the imaging unit. Close the door. Connect one end of the power cord to the printer. To avoid the risk of fire or electrical shock, connect the other end of the power cord to an appropriately rated and properly grounded electrical outlet. Turn on the printer.